leaning in the window like a quiet friend. Silver on the scattered clothes, the night that didn't end. Your shadow crossed the wooden floor, soft as a whispered lie. You said nothing with your lips, but your eyes had said goodbye. I waited for the storm to start, for walls to come crashing down. But all the thunder stayed away when love fell to the ground. We broke without a sound, no shattered glass, no screaming out, just the moonlight fading slowly as the truth came out. Our hands let go like drifting clouds, no final word, no pleading vow under a watching, aching moon. We broke without a sound. The clock kept walking past the moment we both knew that loving you was missing me while standing next to you. The curtains breathed the midnight air like they were trying not to cry. Even the city held its breath as we told our last goodbye. I thought my heart was split in two, a silent kind of tear. The kind the world will never see, but I still feel it here. We broke without a sound, no shattered glass, no screaming out, just the moonlight fading slowly as the truth came out. Our hands let go like drifting clouds, no final word, no pleading vow under a watching, aching moon. We broke without a sound. The moon kept hanging on our words we never spoke, a pale and gentle witness to the night our future broke. If silence has an echo, it's the way your absence rings in every empty corner where your laughter used to sing. We broke without a sound, no crashing waves, no desperate shout, just a quiet way that something sacred flickers out. Two lonely stars that lost their route, too far to reach, too late to doubt, under a tired and hollow moon. We broke without a sound. Now every night the moon comes back, and I still feel that room where love slipped through the quiet dark and left me with a